Everyone may have a run of bad luck in life. We've made a collection of pranks to cheer up your friends. Watch our new video and open up your happiness delivery. I've downloaded a cool game. It's Best Fiends. It's so enthralling, I can't tear myself away from it. Best Fiends is a free-to-play puzzle adventure game. You should collect a team of fiends to defeat slugs by matching same-colored objects. There are new events every day. This month, you can play the Winter Challenge to win awesome bonuses, including a new character. You can even play Best Fiends without Wi-Fi. Download the game for free, and if you download now using my link below, you'll get $5 worth of gold and diamonds for free. And remember, it's Best Fiends. It's like best friends without the R. Thanks Best Fiends for sponsoring. Balloons are always fun. They make you happy and upbeat no matter how old you are. Even an adult feels like a child with balloons. But here comes my gloomy friend. She definitely needs some fun. However, Miss Grumpiness doesn't love balloons the way I do. She thinks it's a waste of time. And she treacherously pops my balloons one after another. What a pity! It's been my favorite color and my favorite size. Why did she destroy my balloon happiness? Miss Grumpiness sees her friend in tears. She tries to calm down the girl who never laughs, but it's just a waste of napkins. It looks like nothing can wipe off this sadness. She already regrets what she's done. Now she turns into a real entertainer. She tries a whistle, but the sound reminds her friend of the balloons that have just popped. It doesn't seem to be a good idea. We need to invent something better. The walk doesn't amuse my friend either. She hardly moves her legs and keeps stumbling all over. What's happening? Finally, she refuses to go further. Well, she'd rather sit and have a rest on a bench. There you go! The girl who never laughs cries again. It's dangerous to cry when it's cold, because tears may turn into icicles. I've made a funny hot dog for her so that she won't turn into the Snow Queen. Take 2 hot dog sausages. Cut out 2 zigzags from the one. These are legs. Make 2 hands with fingers. Cut out black eyes from a black olive. Add a mouth. Cut a bun. Put in the second sausage. Attach the legs, hands, and the mouth. Draw a stripy jumper with mayonnaise. Add 2 eyes. Put 2 pieces of an olive to make pupils. A spicy carrot salad will serve as a hairdo. What an awesome bouffant! Make a carrot skirt. What a lovely hot dog! It's wearing such a trendy outfit, and what a great hairstyle! It cheers up my friend. It's funny and tasty. I have one more funny surprise for my friend. It's blush with an optimistic message. Take an old used blush palette. Measure out the length and the width of the box. Cut out a rectangle of the needed size on color paper. Draw a funny face on it. Put it in the palette. I tell my friend that she's got something on her face. She can't guess where exactly it is, so I give her my mirror. She sees the smiley and finally smiles. But once the wind blows, the smiley flies away. And my friend's good mood also disappears as if it's following the smiley. Why does it happen to me again? I give up. It's the last straw. The universe isn't fair. I'm going away. I can't leave my friend like this. Her tears may flood the entire Sahara Desert. A whole pack of napkins won't be enough. But Miss Grumpiness doesn't give up. She brings some vitamins to reduce the stress. They help to get rid of a bad mood. Trace a pack of vitamins on bubble wrap. Cut out 4 identical squares. Put the bubble wrap inside the box. My friend takes out bubble vitamins. They help distract the girl who never laughs from her grief. Thank God I can relax a little, but the respite doesn't last long. When there remain no bubbles, my friend turns into the girl who never laughs again. Oops! I should have brought a whole roll of bubble wrap for her. What should I do? Oh, where